Hey, hey, hey! Teacher Byrne is back again? Yes, I am back because I promised. Yes, I promised that we are going to continue the last topic that we discussed last time. And what was our topic all about again? Great. It's all about the Navajo Code talkers. Okay, let's continue. Great. Now let's turn the page. Oh, before we read this, let's go to the picture first. Okay, so what can you see in this picture? Old men? You are right, but what are they? Yes, so the Navajo Code Talker is a veteran. Okay, so they were the code talkers before during the World War II. Yeah, that's them. And how about this old man here? So it's Kenji Kawano, right? So he was the one who took the picture, okay, from our last lesson, okay, of a Navajo code talker. Alright, so that's it. Now let's continue. Let's read the title first. Alright, Code of Honor, and we are going to read it again. Okay, the Navajo Code Talkers helped the US defeat Japan in World War II. A photographer is sharing their story. While the US entered the World War II in 1941, from the start, the country had a problem: the need to develop a military code to send secret information. Code breakers had already cracked many US codes, so they cracked many US codes. The code breakers. So remember that word? Yes. Desperate for a solution, the US turned for help to the Navajo, a Native American tribe in the southwestern US. The Navajo language is complex. At the time, few non-Navajo people spoke it. It was a good basis for a code. A small group of Navajo Marines created one. It uses both Navajo and English words. For 3 years, yeah, 3 years again, 40. It's not 40, it's 400. Yeah, 400 Navajo troops, mostly Marines, used the code in battles with the Japanese. No messages were ever decoded. It is still the only spoken US military code that has never been broken. Wow! So, only Navajo code has never been broken. So the Navajo Code talkers played an important role in the US victory in World War II, but their work was a secret until 1968. Even after the mission and the code were declassified, a few Americans heard about these Native American heroes. So I have 4 words here, underlined words, and we are going to discuss it. So first is solution. What do you know about solution? So correct. So it's an answer, right? What about complex? Oh, correct again? So why do you have to answer it correctly? You're too genius. Okay, so I'll just put it inside the chat window. Okay, how about decoded? I hope you know this. No, you don't. Well, decode, yeah, convert code into ordinary language. Okay, it's to convert code into ordinary language that we can easily understand. Okay, last word is declassified. You don't know this word again? Two. Okay, so declassified means to be no longer secret. So it's no longer a secret. The code was no longer secret. Well, how about this picture here? What do you think is this thing? Correct. A radio? Yes. And I have here one. So radio used by Navajo code talkers. So that's the radio. And I have two questions to ask. What was the thing they used to communicate with each other? Correct, you got it. So it's a radio, right? Well, how about number two? Is there any message that was decoded when they used the Navajo code? What do you think? So the answer is in here. No messages were ever decoded. Well, that was a pretty tiring, but I hope you guys learned things from me. For more lessons to learn, you can still visit me at Petra Academy. I will see you there. Yes. Goodbye.